song, your favourite Beyoncé song? Go on. Oi. Thank you. 10 out of 10. She's my fifth singer today. Amazing. Thank you. At Spurs Stadium today. You'll see yourself on their stadium, which is this one, today. All one word. And I'm Daing Boyld. I was 10 out of 10. We did it. Beyonce song. If I were... Welcome to Spurs Stadium today. That's what we like. Thank you very much. Enjoy your evening. If I was Thanks for leaving me hanging. If I was If I was Don't leave me hanging. If I was Oh, well done. If I was Hey dude. Now there's one devoted fan. 10 out of 10 for making it. Well done. What's your favourite song?
My favourite song? Oh, there's too many.
Yeah. Well, don't leave me hanging with this one.
Let me think.
Yeah.
Too many songs.
If I was
No, that's not my favourite.
Oh, you left me hanging. Anyway.
What's the song?
Anyway, you weren't prepared. Thanks for talking to me.